sort of saying something they heard as a kid.
That's right. They're just repeating words that they don't quite understand. And this repeating words that you don't understand is pretty much what's happening right now in the United States with all of this political mess.
Mhm.
Repeating
Oh,
things
absolutely.
that
Yeah.
you don't understand, that you heard on TV because you've seen it's being reinforced on TV. So you're like, this will get me the attention I've been craving for, you know? And it's such a mess. And all of these people are arguing about things that are so unimportant. Who cares? First, let's get our health care. First, let's get our free education, our housing, take care of fix our
Mhm.
infrastructure for crying out loud. Stop these ridiculous illegal wars. And then we can talk about our differences about abortion and gay marriage and what are we doing in our bedrooms and what are we doing, in whatever establishments that we choose to attend and what are we doing with women's vaginas and yada, yada, yada. That's
But
like
even
the
worse,
last stuff that we need to be freaking worrying about right now. But instead, the propaganda, oh, it's strong. Oh, holy moly, it's strong.
yeah, the
The
word I would
smartest
use,
scientists are working on this like highest quality propaganda I've ever seen in the last 100 years.
yeah, the word I would use to describe most people's outlooks or their opinions, it's superficial. That's the word I would use.
They're just copying behaviors from TV. That's it.
Right, and it goes back to it's superficial. They don't understand what they're really saying. It's parroting what they're
Yeah. And I've
doing
been
from their
there too. For
their
like
input.
25 years, I've done exact same thing. Totally
And
guilty.
yeah, and they have a false sense of control.
Yep. Yep. I
Rather
remember
than
that feeling.
recognizing what's happening, which is you are in an environment and that environment is exerting a ton of control over you.
Oh, yeah.
All of your sensory inputs are coming from that environment, which is
Now
out
you're
of
talking like a behavior
control.
analyst.
Rather than start to recognize that and start to figure out where they really fit in, engage who they are, yeah, it just turns into the carrot.
Yeah. Yeah. And it's just so sad because we see people even in the same families and same circle of friends that are just biting so hard on this bait of division propaganda in the most crucial time in our history.
Yeah, there was one thing I wanted to just touch upon with you, just a general thing,
Sure.
uh, not specific to this conversation, but I think
Sure.
it
Let's
applies to
let's touch up.
literally.